First, we need to make one hole in the paper. Then we need to put one plastic straw in the paper, and then inside the plastic straw we need to put one spiraled copper wire. Then we need to bend both the sides of the copper wire like this. Then at the opposite side of the spiraled part we need to put two aluminium foil in the bent part, and then we with the help of tape we need to seal the container. After that, with the help of synthetic cloth, we need to charge the glass scale, and after that we could see that the two aluminium foils are diverging from each other.